Hi guys, we will be making Vietnamese spring rolls. So that's our all ingredients we need. Our veggies and crab meat, and then scampi or prawns, and then our noodles. So this is our three types of sauce. This is peanut butter and hoisin sauce, and then this is hoisin sauce and our lime. So yes, and our rice paper wrappers. So yeah, it's gonna be yummy. Yeah, masarap to guys. Sobrang sarap. And then it's healthy pa kasi may maraming veggies. So guys, let's wrap our Vietnamese spring rolls. So you have to make the rice paper wrapper wet, soak in the water quick, and then put all the veggies and everything you need, and then you have to roll it and put before you finish rolling it, so you need to put the prawns and then roll it finish. So there you go, it's done. And then one more. So here is our finished product guys. So may sobra pa tayo sa ating veggies and the prawns. Ayan. So ready to kain na. Ready to eat. Yummers. Guys, happy Sunday. Now today we're gonna set up our Christmas tree 2024. Yes. So we move our mirror and we move that in here so we can place the mirror to the place where that came from. The mirror is behind the Christmas tree. So when I need mirror, so we can't use it because it's behind the Christmas tree. So that's why we are moving over there so we can still use it. Open guys, the Christmas tree. So it's messy here guys, it's a lot of stuff, and our Christmas decor is here, so we're gonna tidy up after, and we move one of the picture frame so we can put the mirror. It's small house and it's a lot of stuff. Oh my god, I'm a hoarder. After
and ice cream.
Sige na, open the Christmas tree, uy.
Hindi sa mama ko.
Kan du ta den där närma trappan?
Andy, kom! Andy, kom an! Andy! Andy! Pass Emil! Andy, kom igen! Andy!
Tapos marami na tayong nasabit na Christmas ornaments sa ating Christmas tree. Ayan. So ayan guys, tapos na ang ating Christmas tree. Hindi na daw kita yung ano, yung tree. Puro na ano, puro na decor. Yung Christmas balls and flowers and everything. Wala na daw yung tree, but that's how I like it. So yan. So iba't ibang kulay yung ilagay natin guys. So yung ano pala, yung ornament na may pangalan ko, that's from I Celebrate. Thank you so much. That's her Christmas gift from last year, I think. For me, thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Nebo Family Vlog. Be safe everyone. Bye.